What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Martian channel. I got another video for y'all today. I'm gonna try to do a quick 10-minute video. I have really slow internet, so trying to upload a 20-minute video takes like over 20 hours. It's ridiculous. But right now I'm on CoinGecko. Bitcoin had I guess, a drop overnight, starting to make a move up. We're sitting at about 9,400. Ethereum's at about 209. Tether still in the number three spot. XRP is in about 19 cents. I believe I was looking at one chart. XRP looks like it was still in a downtrend. Could probably hit 17 cents. If it hits 17, I'll be definitely buying in. I'll probably be picking some more up. Tezos 0.3. Cardano's up 3%. Oh yeah, they had a pretty good move up. Cardano was in the news too. I think I read an article about it in my last video, and then at least something else came out. Five. So they almost hit 6 cents. But overall, market's looking pretty good. And let's move on to the first article here. We got from the Daily Hodl. In sudden crypto turnaround, JPMorgan now says Bitcoin is significantly undervalued. So all of a sudden he thinks it's undervalued after bashing it all these years. Okay, after years of being bearish on Bitcoin, the largest bank in the United States is now changing its tune about the world's leading cryptocurrency. The latest Bitcoin analysis from JPMorgan is circulating on Twitter, dated May 22nd. The report from research analysis Nicolas Pani Gertz, I can't even say that, looks at the intrinsic value of Bitcoin by treating it as a commodity and basing the price on the marginal cost of producing BTC. According to the report, Bitcoin is trading 25% below what the intrinsic price would be following the halving event, which reduced block rewards from 12.5 BTC to 6.25. Based on Bitcoin's price when the report was published, JP Morgan placed BTC's intrinsic value at 11,593. So that could be why we're seeing a rush into it a little. JP Morgan has been historically bearish on the top cryptocurrency. Last year, analysis at the investment bank said Bitcoin had topped its intrinsic value after the price rose above marginal cost. Earlier this year, analysts at JP Morgan believed that Bitcoin had some downside risk, and as reported by Bloomberg. In 2017, Chief Executive Jamie Dimon said he would fire any employee who was caught trading BTC because it was both stupid and against company rules. JP Morgan's new report and apparent shift in Bitcoin sentiment comes after the bank onboarded crypto exchanges Coinbase and Gemini as customers, marking a potential end to the bank's anti-crypto era. So it's like a lot of pieces are coming together. I'll see if this is the start of the bull run. What do you guys think? All these big names are coming out. They're all bullish on Bitcoin all of a sudden. So we'll see if this causes FOMO. And we'll go to the next article. We got also from the Daily Hodl. Bitcoin billionaires blast Goldman Sachs after financial giant says crypto not a viable investment. So let's see. Goldman Sachs just wrapped up a highly anticipated investor call that focused in part on its outlook for Bitcoin. The investing giant is not impressed with increasing institutional investments in cryptocurrency and says the digital assets do not, quote, constitute a viable investment rationale, end quote. Goldman says BTC is not an asset class because it can't create a cash flow as bonds do. According to the analysts, the world's leading cryptocurrency has a number of other factors working against it. It does not generate earnings through exposure to economic growth. It has not proved itself to be a reliable hedge against inflation, and it has been used to facilitate money laundering and purchase on the dark web. Billionaire Bitcoin entrepreneurs and co-founders of the crypto exchange Gemini quickly responded. Tyler Winklevoss says Goldman may not have the moral high ground when it comes to the illicit use of capital. And we got a tweet here in 29 by Tyler Winklevoss tweeted out Goldman Sachs. In 2019, 2.8 billion in Bitcoin was sent to currency exchanges from criminal entities. Fun fact, Goldman Sachs facilitated 6 billion in money laundering via one MDB scandal between 2012 through 2013. Double standard much question mark. Wow, that's interesting. So what do they know, right? And then they got what do they have here? What did I see? Bonds. That's nothing but debt. That has no value at all. Then if you look at some of the bonds now, I think you could do like a 10-year bond, pays like 1 point something percent, which is I don't know, that was a 30-year, I believe, 30-year, yeah. So that's not even worth it. And then we got they're still trying to push this narrative, money laundering, dark web. But let's see what else he says. According to the report published last year by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, banks carry the torch for the money laundering industry. Cameron Winklevoss also points out to Bitcoin's official status as a commodity, implying its researchers need to get the times. Let's see. And Cameron Winklevoss tweeted out, "Hey, Goldman Sachs, 2014 just called and asked for their talking points back. Bitcoin was declared a commodity by the CFTC in 2015 in the coin flip order. So yeah, it's an asset whose price is set by supply and demand, just like gold, just like oil. It's a commodity." Also the CFTC. Yeah, and so with all the job loss, economy going down, I'll be hedging with crypto, gold, and silver. I'm just sharing what I'm doing, not financial advice. At the next article, Google Cloud empowering crypto video disruptor Theta tech giant will serve as first large European validator. We got Google is poised to power Data Labs Inc., a disruptive video and data delivery network using blockchain and distributed ledger technology. So that'll be good for Theta. Let's see if the price went up. Anybody out there hold Theta? I'm a fan of it. Let's see. Just constant bullish news and partnerships. It's at 35 cents. Alright, now looks like it hasn't looks like that didn't affect the price. So the last was about 32 cents. Had a couple spikes here. That was in May. About 40, a little over 40 cents. So that's a good time to pick some up. In my opinion, it's Google will power the cloud infrastructure for Theta TV and esports streaming site built on the Theta network. The service will also allow users to run Theta nodes directly from Google Cloud's marketplace, along with Binance, Blockchain Ventures, and Gumi cryptos. Google will validate new blocks on Theta's blockchain. I just don't like that they're with Google. Too controlled, but overall I guess it's good for the market and mainstream adoption. Let's see, Theta's new mainnet is scheduled to roll out on Wednesday. It will take 5 million Theta tokens for Google to help secure the network, with the tech giant serving as its first big European validator operating out of Ireland. Theta's high-performance decentralized micropayment network uses crypto to scale its platform to millions of concurrent video viewers. The platform works with partners in mass media, entertainment, telecom, technology, and gaming. Mitch CEO and founder of Theta Labs says, "As we engage with potential data partners over the past year, we heard more and more that live 24/7 esports content coupled with a loyalty or rewards program is strategic to their global business and user growth. Well, so we got a lot of things coming. You can see where everything's going. Uh, Article says by leveraging blockchain to deliver enhanced quality at significantly lower cost and by allowing users to simultaneously watch video content and earn data, the project aims to position itself as a next generation video platform. YouTube co-founder Steven Chen is an advisor to Data and says he believes the platform has the potential to shake up the industry. Data's innovation is set to disrupt today's online video industry much in the same way that the YouTube platform did to traditional video back in 2005. They said one of our biggest challenges have been the high cost of delivering video to various parts of the world, and this problem is only getting bigger with HD, 4K, and higher quality video streams. I'm excited to be a part of the next evolution of the streaming space, helping Data create a decentralized peer-to-peer network that can offer improved video delivery at lower costs. Google has also facilitated other companies in the blockchain space by making the Bitcoin and Ethereum datasets publicly available in 2018 through its BigQuery service, which helps decentralized autonomous organizations scale up by rapidly retrieving and analyzing terabytes of data. So you got big names behind the scenes. A lot of companies working with this. They know what's coming, and they're just trying to get their hands in the game. With that said, we got next article from CoinDesk. When Coinbase buys Tagomi as foundation of institutional trading arm. Let's see. San Francisco-based cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is finally acquiring Tagomi, a prime brokerage platform specializing in digital asset trading. Announced Wednesday, the two companies said the deal is expected to be finalized later this year without disclosing the financial terms. Quote, we are going to be integrating the Tagomi platform into our product suite, and it will form the foundation for the future of quote, we are going to be integrating the Tagomi platform into our product suite, and it will form the foundation for the future of our institutional trading business, said Sean Agarwal, head of corporate development at Coinbase. So let's see. He also said Tagomi, I want to say it's Tagomi, will continue to operate for the near future. We're still thinking through long-term options. So this is big. I guess we're starting to see some, I think they're referred to as consolidation already. Coinbase has been leading the way. They're going to be huge. I mean, they're already the biggest exchange in the U.S. We got, let's see, what else do they say? We got a crypto prime brokerage, which offers institutional clients easier access to liquidity, custody, lending, and other products, appears to be on a roll right now. Genesis Trading, owned by CoinDesk parent DCG, recently purchased crypto custodian Volt in a bid to become a prime broker. London-based Bequant launched a prime brokerage service earlier this month, and BitGo also announced its prime brokerage play earlier on Wednesday. This is like these onboard ramps they're building here, or combining with too. We got Coinbase said the acquisition comes at a time of something of an inflection point in the industry, with recent pronouncements by Paul Tudor Jones serving as a bellwether for Bitcoin acceptance from leading hedge fund and macro investors. Coinbase also said it has seen a 100% increase in volume from professional and institutional traders over the past 3 months. But some commentators will see the Tagomi deal as consolidation in a market that has turned out to be sluggish, at least as far as the eagerly awaited arrival of the traditional institution investment is concerned. So everything's gearing up to make it a lot easier for people to get into crypto. We have Tagomi has had focus on the best execution, which involves pulling buy and sell orders across 10 or so large crypto exchanges, including Coinbase, Binance, and Gemini, and then routing clients' transactions to the venues offering the best prices. As if being owned by Coinbase created any kind of conflict of interest, Bhargava said he didn't necessarily think so. Quote, we think we will still be able to deliver really great pricing to our clients, said Bhargava. Obviously, we will still have the market maker relationships. Over time, we'll disclose which exchanges we continue to work with. That's interesting. I guess we'll follow that. So I went over here to the Tagomi website, see what they're about, and it's actually pretty interesting. They have trusted by all these companies. You got Pantera, Galaxy Digital, Bitwise, Morgan Creek, Electro Capital, Founders Fund, Paradigm. And for investors, we have onboard just once. So this is going to make everything a lot easier and convenient. So it says go through onboarding once with Tagomi and access 14 exchange and liquidity venues. You can use your balances across all exchanges. No need to wire in and wire out between venues. So you're going to be able to buy different assets across different exchanges, and you're only going to withdraw a deposit through one. And you don't have to have all kinds of accounts, passwords, all that. So this is all interoperability. Let's see. Provable best price. Tagomi never trades against you. We'll show you the details behind every trade and prove we got your best price execution. Don't settle for less. We got margin and shorting, lending, best rates in the market, a streamlined process to finance your positions across competitive lending markets, a feature not possible at single exchange platforms. Integrated custody, multi-party custody, eliminate concentration risk. Tagomi integrates with select custodians as part of a proprietary risk management system, so that you get the best security for each asset at wholesale's rates. See, there's another one. So I went to see what assets they offer. They have Cardano. It's in private beta right now. A lot of these are in all regions except New York. We got Atom, Cosmos, fully live. Algo's in private beta. You got BAT, BTC, BCH, CVC is in private beta. DAI Dash is in private beta. DANT, DCR. EOS fully live, Ethereum Classic. I guess Golem's coming. Interesting. We don't really see much about Golem. I do hold. I believe this is Golem. I do hold Golem. Yeah, Golem. You don't really hear much about it, but it is in places like this. I believe there's another good wallet I saw it. Might have been Abra. There's two other places. I was surprised to see it. You also got Link, Loom, LTC, Mana's in private beta, XRP, RIP, USDC, XLM, XMR, all that. That's nice. All the Zcash is in here too. Privacy coins. We got Tezos and ZRX. So I thought this was pretty interesting. I might do a video. I might get an account. See what it's about. It's gonna be part of Coinbase anyway. I'm a big fan of Coinbase. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're in any of these coins, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.